Community Health Network will pay a record settlement after violating the Stark law. The news came out just this afternoon.
And News 8's Danielle Zulkowski has what this means for the healthcare network and its patients. She joins us live in the studio to explain, Danielle.
Yes, well, Community Health Network will pay $345 million to the United States government due to violations of the Stark law. The Stark law prohibits doctors from referring patients for services payable by Medicare or Medicaid where the physician or an immediate family member has financial ties. Services could include labs, physical therapy, drug prescriptions, prosthetics, among other services.
If there are financial incentives that the doctor has to send me for a treatment that I don't need, or for send me for extra treatment, or to send me to a location that they get a financial kickback if they send me to, then there's no longer that independent medical judgment.
This was uncovered by a whistleblower back in 2014. Thomas Fisher, a healthcare finance and operations executive, initially filed the complaint with 6 claims alleging these violations go back to 2008. The United States government then took over 2 of the claims and settled with Community.
The doctors were not named as defendants in this case, and the government only filed against Community Health Network itself.
The U.S. Attorney's Office says Community paid some of its doctors well above fair market value, then awarded them bonuses tied to the number of referrals. Then, Community submitted claims to Medicare for services that resulted from these unlawful referrals.
Today's agreement resolves claims that Community overpaid doctors to encourage them to illegally refer patients within their network. The government also alleges that Community paid bonuses to many of its doctors based on illegal patient referrals to its own hospitals.
This was something that was much more widespread and systemic at Community. This was not just a one-off or a one contract or a one doctor.
Community Health released a statement calling the violations technical and clarifying the $345 million settlement to the U.S. government will be paid out of reserves held by the healthcare network, which reported revenue of $3.1 billion last year. The statement says in part, this is completely unrelated to the quality and appropriateness of the care Community provided to patients. This settlement, like those involving other health systems and hospitals, relates to the complex, highly regulated area of physician compensation. Community has consistently prioritized the highest regulatory and ethical standards in all our business processes. The Community release also says this settlement only resolves the claims made by the government, but some claims made by a former employee remain pending. The original whistleblower's attorney confirms her client and team are continuing the fight in the case of the 4 claims the government did not pursue against Community. I'm Danielle Zulkowski for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and like us on Facebook.